He's already like what, individual, this puppy?
Oh yeah. Yes. Yes, the little personalities are starting to show up already. Yes, there you are. There you are. Look, have some roadkill. Have some roadkill. Have some roadkill. Have some roadkill. Yes. 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 Punch. Oh, you're sweet. You're sweet. So tiny. Oh. Notice there are two dark ones, a boy and a girl, and two red brindle ones, a boy and a girl, and one orange boy.
So 2 girls and 3 boys.
Yeah. We should have had another girl, and maybe she would have been orange. And we'd have pairs. We'd have them in pairs, wouldn't we? Hey, have them in pairs. Yes, we would. Yes, we would. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think?
Welcome to new world. You're gonna be a happiest puppy. You are. Be in one of the happiest puppy. I mean all the happiest. Yes. Look how cute.
So, what do you think? Hey, I can see life from a whole new angle. Yeah, I can see life from a whole new angle.
Yeah.
Yes, up here.
Discovering. Nice and snuggle. Nice and snuggle.
Got any teepees yet?
Got teeth already?
Any teepees? No teepees
no
yet.
yet.
No teepees yet. This time next week she'll probably have some little little needles sticking out. Won't you? Won't you?
And started to choose things, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, blue one is very individual, isn't it? And he's always kind of go. Don't kill me. Orange one. Oi, orange. Where you going? Orange.
Going to try and open the door, I think.
This is the end of the room.
Well, hello, Mr. Green. Hello. Hello, Mr. Green.
Oh, you have this already? No? Can you see? He might have a teeth. I don't know. Doesn't it? No? Is it? Oh, it's a tongue. No? Yeah, he has teeth. I think he has. Check this one. This side up. Left. He has teeth.
Oh, there's one there,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, they're there, the upper ones. I didn't
Yeah,
check.
Mm-hmm.
Who did I have? White, wasn't it?
Yeah. Because he started to chew my things. Then, why chewing?
I guess
he
you
must
felt
have
it,
teeth,
yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes. Yes.
Yellow. Yellow. Are you girl or you boy?
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
That's a little
Girls
girl.
always develop earlier than boy, right?
Girls always do things first.
Yeah.
Don't you? Hey, you pretty girl.
So cute.
You pretty girl.
So cute.
You pretty girl.
Cute.
Are you pretty, pretty, pretty? Are you pretty, pretty, pretty? Yes.
So tiny, so cute. Look at the tail. Can't believe this
Pretty little
journey.
dark girl. You pretty little dark girl. Are you a pretty little dark girl? Yes, you are.
Mm.
Yes, you are.
Mm-hmm. They're just so different, puppies and adults.
No, she doesn't have any.
Mm. So she's the one. Do they drink water as no, not yet.
No. They might, if they happen to get near the water bowl and then they'll lick, but they don't really drink.
Just because it's
They
milk, right?
just drink milk,
Yeah.
so they don't really need
Okay.
water.
So that water bowl for mommy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm just curious, they drink water or not this age. Oops. What did you do? Ew. How about green one? Does he have teeth? Because he's just curious. He has? No.
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 No teeth.
Okay. So he
No
just
teeth. No teethies. No teethies. No teethies. No, no teethies. The little nubs are there. The little bumps are there. No, I'm not going to let you go because you'll fall on the floor. You